The next chapter is 17th chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. Topics to be covered. The first one is algebraic expressions. Second one, addition and subtraction. Third one, multiplication. Next one, multiplication of monomials. Next one, multiplication of binomial by a monomial. Next one, multiplication of binomial by a binomial. The last one is special products, that is identities. The next topic is 17.1, algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is the combinations of constant and literals connected by the signs of fundamental operations. Here, constants and variables. Constants, the quantity which has a fixed numerical value, is called a constant. Variables, a quantity which can take various numerical values, is called a variable. Unknown numbers represented by an alphabet such as A, B, C, P, Q or X, Y, Z are called a literals. Here the algebraic expression is 6x squared y plus 5. Here 5 is a constant, x and y are a literals, that is a variables. The next one is terms of an expressions. The terms of an algebraic expressions are part of expressions separated by positive or negative signs. The first one is constant term. Here the example 5a plus 3. Here positive 3 is the constant term. Here separate this way. Here 5a is one term, positive 3 is another term. The next one is like terms. Terms in an expression which have the same literal factors are called a like terms. For example, 3x squared y, comma 4x squared y. Here the terms and variables or the literals are same, so it is a like terms. The next one is unlike term. The terms which do not have a same literal factors are called unlike terms. For example, 3xy, comma 4ab. Here the literals are different. Here the first example 3xy. The second example 4ab. Here the literals are x and y. Here the literals are a and b. So it is an unlike term. The next one is polynomial. An algebraic expression with two or more terms is called a polynomial. The first one is monomial. An algebraic expression contain one term is called a monomial. For example, negative 8, comma 3a squared, negative 7x squared. These are the monomial terms. The next one is binomial. An algebraic expression containing two terms is a binomial. For example, x squared y squared plus 3y, comma ab minus 9. Here x squared y squared is one term, positive 3y is a second term. So binomial having two terms. The next example a minus b, that is ab is one term, negative 9 is a second term. The next one is trinomial. An algebraic expression containing three terms is called a trinomial. For example, negative 2ab plus 3ab squared minus 6. Here negative 2ab is one term, positive 3ab squared is a second term, negative 6 is a third term. So trinomial having three terms. This topic is 17.2, addition and subtractions. To add two or more algebraic expressions, group the like terms and add their constants coefficients. Example, add 3x squared plus 5y and x squared plus y. Now 3x squared plus 5y. Write the first expression 3x squared plus 5y. The second expression, add the like terms. So here x squared plus y. Now you can add this y, x squared, so here 5, here 1, so 5 plus 1, that is 6, positive, that is positive, here 3, here 1, that is 4, 4x squared plus 6y is the answer. Next example, subtract 3a plus 3b from 6a minus 4b. So first write down solution. 6a minus 4b. The second expression is adding the like terms. So here 3a plus 3b. Now using the subtraction, the second expression change the signs of the terms. Here 3b is positive. Now you can change negative. 3a also positive, change negative. So here negative, the first expression negative 4b, the second expression also negative 3b. So the signs are same. So you can add the values. That is 4 plus 3, that is 7b. So the sign negative. Here 6 is a positive, 6a is a positive value, 3a is a negative value. So 6 minus 3, that is 3, positive 3a minus negative 7b is the answer. Example, simplify. A squared minus b squared minus of 2a squared minus 2b squared. Solution. A squared minus b squared minus of 2a squared minus 2b squared. First remove the bracket. So a squared minus b squared. You can multiply the negative to the second term of the expressions. That is negative into positive, that is negative 2a squared. Negative into negative, that is positive 2b squared. Now adding the like terms. So here a squared, here negative 2a squared. So negative, here 1a squared, negative 2a squared. Now you can add. The signs are different, so you can subtract the value. 1 minus 2, that is 1. Here the largest number is 2. So sign of the largest number is negative. So negative 1a squared. The second term is b squared. Here negative b squared, positive 2b squared. So here also having different signs. So you can subtract the values. That is b squared, 1b squared. The highest value is 2. The sign of the highest value is positive. So positive b squared. The answer is b squared minus a squared. Exercise 17.1. Add. The question is a plus 2b minus c plus d. Second expression 2 minus d plus 3c plus a. The third expression 5b minus 2c plus 3 minus d. Solution. First write down the first expression. A plus 2b minus c plus d. Write down the second expression as the term wise. Here a term, that is positive a. B term, there is no b term in the second expression. So you can write down the 0 of b. Next c term, that is positive 3c. D term, that is negative d. The last one is constant term, that is plus 2. Next write down the third expression. Here there is no a term, so put the 0 of a term. B term, that is positive 5b. C term negative 2c. D term negative d. Constant term positive 3. The first expression does not have the constant term, so you can use the 0. Now you can add 2 plus 3, that is 5. Next negative d, that is negative 2d plus positive d. So answer is negative d. Here the value is positive. Next c terms. Here c terms negative c, negative 2c, that is negative c plus negative 2c, that is negative 3c. Negative 3c plus positive 3c, that is 0. Next, b term. Here positive 2b, positive 5b, positive 0. So 5 plus 2, that is 7b, that is a positive value. Here 1a plus 1a plus 0a, that is 1a plus 1a, that is 2a. First question, homework problem. First question is 3x squared, comma, negative 7x squared, comma, 5x squared. Second question, 2x squared minus 2y squared, comma, 3y squared minus 7x squared, comma, 5x squared minus y squared. Second question, subtract 2x squared plus 3y squared minus 4z squared from 2z squared minus 3x squared plus 4y squared. Solution. First write down the expression. Here from means the second expression is the come first. So negative 3x squared plus 4y squared plus 2z squared. Next, write the second expression as the term wise. So here 2x squared plus 3y squared minus 4z squared. Using the subtraction, so you can change the sign of the second expressions. Here negative, so you can change positive. Here positive, change negative. Here 2x squared is positive, change negative. Now changing the signs of the terms, so you can add the z square. Now z square, that is positive 2 plus positive 4, that is positive 6z square. Next y squared, 4, positive 4, negative 3. Positive 4, negative 3, the signs are alternative, so you can subtract the values. That is 3, 4 minus 3, that is 1. Here the highest value is 4, the sign of the 4 is positive. So positive 1y squared. Next, x squared term. Here negative 3x squared, negative 2x squared. The signs are same, so you can add the values. 3 plus 2, that is 5. Negative, the sign is negative. Second question, homework problem. Negative 7x squared from 3x squared. Second one, x squared plus y squared minus 2xy from x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Next, third and fourth fully homework.